I've got something to tell. I've got something to say. When the going gets tough, the tough start growing. When the going gets tough, you gotta keep going. Yes, 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 no matter the weather, I want you to know you got to go wherever it leads you, wherever it takes you. You've got to know and you've got to believe in yourself. Yeah, the harder it gets, the more you need to believe in yourself. The harder it gets, the stronger you get if you actually join in. One thing I really need you to know, and I also need to keep telling myself, if you trust in the plan and you know that you give a damn, then to be free, there's one thing you've got to do. Besides, when it's tough, get even tougher. Because, yeah, the tough get rough. When you know you want to be free, all you got to do is take responsibility. Yeah, that's all it is. Right, a one-way ticket to the top of the mountain, please.